This is your Fox 47 News Flash.
Welcome to your Fox 47 News Flash from the Digital Newsroom. I'm Chris Lewis, and these are the top stories that we're following. The Michigan Department of Health and Human Services said that it is expanding its Rapid Response Staffing Resource Program. It will help long-term care facilities deal with staffing shortages. The program is adding new staffing options. They include licensed practical nurses, social workers, and dietary cooks. This is in addition to registered nurses and certified nurses' assistants. East Lansing City Council members say that they're frustrated with how students at Michigan State University have handled the coronavirus pandemic. Sometimes I sit and I ponder what would be enough to make people realize that this is bigger than themselves. If only we can convince people to stay home and to think of others first with the masks. They're running out of options about how to slow the spread of the coronavirus in East Lansing. Coronavirus cases are increasing dramatically in the county since students moved back into the area just over 2 weeks ago. It resulted in a mandatory quarantine for a number of East Lansing houses. City council members wish it didn't have to come to that. Mayor Aaron Stevens says they're responding to as many complaints as they can, but they can't be everywhere at once. It's got to be on personal responsibility, on individuals taking a stand and saying, you know what, this isn't the time for this. I'm just pleading with people, wear a mask and stay safe. The Michigan Senate gave the green light for clerks to start processing mail-in ballots for the November election a day earlier than usual on Tuesday. Senate Bill 757 now heads to the State House. A record setting of 2.1 million absentee ballots have been requested, according to the Secretary of State's office. Clerks across Michigan have asked for the legislature's help to try and prevent huge delays in Election Day results. The proposed legislation has bipartisan support and would amend Michigan election law temporarily. There is what is called a sunset provision attached to the bill, which means if signed into law, it would not continue past the November election. Staff would be able to process mail-in ballots starting at 10 a.m. until 8 p.m. the day before the election, as long as the municipality has the population of at least 25,000. Meridian Township Clerk Brett Dreyfus hopes the bill gets final approval in time. Delta Township Clerk Mary Clark believes the legislation could save her office around 8 hours of time. Clerks and their staff would be able to open absentee envelopes, but not take ballots out of the secrecy sleeves. We would have liked to have been able to prepare them totally for running through the tabulator, which would be initially taking them out of the secrecy sleeve, removing the stub and flattening them out to stack them to run through the tabulator, said Clark. Nevertheless, Clark is grateful for the possibility of more help. The coronavirus has changed all of our lives, and many people don't know where to turn for help. That's why Fox 47 News WSYM-TV created Rebound Mid-Michigan, everything you need to get back on track in one convenient place. From dealing with stress to unemployment to helping put food on your table, plus ways you can lend a hand in your own community. Rebound Mid-Michigan, everything you need to get you through these difficult times. We may have fallen, but we will rebound together. Visit fox47news.com/rebound to learn more. Learn more about all of these and all Mid-Michigan's breaking news on fox47news.com.